Hello guys, a short video today. So I think that a lot of times the mistake that a lot of advertisers, including myself do, is that we try to give an image to our customers or maybe here the viewers of this channel that we are perfect and everything is working well. I am not going to do that. Maybe I'm going to, you know, um, not like the outcome of this, but I don't care since this is not my main income thing. And I think that in order for me to keep producing content without losing my soul, it has to be to produce true content and being honest with you 100% always. So I'm going to show you one account that I have which is not going well. And the reason for that is that I have managed to get the cost per purchase lower from what they used to have. But at the end of the day, the average order value is not there from the store in order to help me have good results for the account. Most definitely, it's an account that I'm going to lose from the client because it's not going well. And I don't care if because of that, some of you think that I'm bad with my Facebook ads, because at this point of my life, after 10 years, I don't have the need to prove to anyone that I'm good with Facebook ads because I know how much money I'm making from it and how many happy clients I have. So nothing is always perfect, and whoever is producing an image that everything is perfect and that all the accounts that they take they're working, it's wrong, okay? And it can never be like this. So let's go and let me show you on this account why sometimes even if you do ads with your own way and you're improving the results, it's not enough because simply the funnel is not there to support your efforts and the traffic that you're sending from Facebook. Let's go on my computer. Okay, so I'm going to show you this account. As I said, I don't care if you think that I suck or whatever. So let me show you what is happening here. We're having several campaigns over here. As you can see, we have $37 cost per purchase, $22 cost per purchase, 34 over here, okay? We have 32, 32. All of these are my efforts, okay? And I'm trying on this account just to get something going. But even when I get $22.94 cost per purchase, for instance, the return on ad spend is 0.67. Which is actually devastating, okay? What should happen here in order to have good results? Have a $5 cost per purchase in order to have some decent results. So I know that I need to let this account go, okay? I need that either they're going to change something in their funnel, in their offer, in whatever they are selling. I'm the type of guy that is not blaming the prices, but here we're having a serious problem of me sending traffic with a very good rate when it comes to cost per unique link click or unique CTR, and then we are having here a good cost per purchase, which is normal, okay? Having this amount of cost per purchase in several accounts can be, and let's say, okay, that this 57 is a lot, 58, but here we're having 34, 22, 37. So for me, trying here is in vain, okay? And I understand that the problem here is the funnel. Why am I making this video? You need to understand that Facebook is just the intermediate, okay? You can have good creatives, you can have everything, and you can send people that they like your product, but then when they go to your landing page, it's going to be bad, it's not converting, maybe you don't have a good offer, or you want to sell something super cheap, which is not the case anymore with Facebook ads. This is a specific case of an account like this, and I'm showing you the results of the last 60 days, okay? In this specific situation, what you should do, you should start working on your funnel. The problem here is not on Facebook. Everything looks okay on this side, but we're not having enough return on ad spend. And I know that even if I try, it's not about trying. Sometimes I'm saying that we always influence something like 10 or 20% of the final outcome. The rest is about the funnel. And about other things. One important thing that we need to do on Facebook ads to get good results is optimization. But other than that, Facebook is going to give a specific cost, and at some point we're going to hit a wall and we will not be able to go lower that cost per purchase. So in that case, I know that when I have 22.94 cost per purchase, which is something that in other accounts would bring me easily 2 ROAS plus, In this account I don't, and I know that this is a problem of the business, okay? And this is the point that I should let this account go until everything is fixed, increase the average order value or whatever. So, important lesson today. Don't blame always Facebook ads for the results. Maybe sometimes it's good to blame yourself if you're not doing a good job with your funnel, with your offer or whatever. When it comes to Facebook ads, I'm trying always my best, but this is a case that I would like to show you that even if you take Mark Zuckerberg, I think here it's not going to be able to produce results. You need something crazy to happen, something like $5 cost per purchase in order to have maybe break even at $2, okay? It's crazy. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you with this account. The numbers are in front of you. I hope that you understand what I'm trying to say here and the message that I'm trying to push. But just because you had an idea, it doesn't mean that it's going to be profitable with Facebook ads or that your numbers are going to be good enough for Facebook ads. Facebook is becoming more and more expensive. And oh, by the way, this business had very good results before the iOS changes. After the iOS changes, this happened. So in my opinion, you should adapt, okay? When it comes to that, if you want to save your business, you should adapt. And things and bad situations are always going to come because we talk about e-commerce. So they need to adapt, they need to change something because as it looks now, Facebook is not a platform for them. I'm going to see you for the closing of this video. Okay, so this is a reality. This is what is happening when we have a bad AOV. I'm not saying it just to justify myself and stuff. I'm just saying that my skills, and my knowledge goes up to that point. But sometimes the businesses need to also adapt their funnels to the new reality because this is what Facebook is. Nobody invited them to come advertise on the platform.
Flashback.
Dear Konstantinos, please come to advertise on our platform and we will give you exactly the CPMs that you want and the return on ad spend that you want so that you can be happy and profitable. We promise. Yours sincerely, Mark Zuckerberg.
End of flashback.
And if the results are not there, they need to start improving. Especially when you see an improvement on your ads and still the numbers that you want are not there, you need to start thinking that maybe something is wrong in your funnel and to your other business model, and you need to keep searching a lot about it in order to improve. And this is what e-commerce is at the end of the day. It's a constant struggle of finding a solution for something or for a problem that is going to come. We all know that. If you have an e-commerce store, you know that, and this is never going to stop. You will never going to stop trying to make it better, or you will never stop solving problems that are going to come. I'm going to see you in a future video.